So these are the unofficial flood measuring steps, and we can still see one big step, which is better than it was yesterday. But the water has noticeably risen since yesterday. It's gone into it's covering, or nearly covered, the lawn of the stilted house, and you have the vista of seeing the lake sort of the flooded Anglesey Island. That's all floodplain. That's quite normal-ish flood. And over in the distance you might be able to see the cricket ground, which will always flood at least once a year. So this isn't as high as it gets, but it's rising. It rose yesterday, and it's risen since yesterday as well. You can see the residents have bravely sandbagged here, extensively sandbagged, but it doesn't seem to make a lot of difference. I wonder if sandbags are just for our psychological benefit. You can see the remains of the old mill bridge there, that was blamed for the 2007 flooding, which has now been demolished.
Wow. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.